Watch fans, this is one of the most exciting releases from Cartier that I've seen in years and years. And the reason I say that, we know that the House of Cartier, they tend to rely on a lot of the historic designs from the genius of the watch world, Louis Cartier. Things like the Santos, the tank watch, a lot of their designs, the Tortue, the Tonneau, they were designed by Louis Cartier over 100 years ago, but then they've just been making variations of them for years after that. But this is one of the most exciting releases that I've seen from them in a long time. This watch came out in about 2010, was made for about 10 years. So it's not made anymore, and that makes it an even more exclusive collector's item. The fact that it's been retired from the collection, not sure it would ever be made again, but we're fortunate enough to have one here at SwissWatchExpo. When you see this watch, you understand right away that Cartier does not so much rely on things from nature like leaves as their inspiration, like a lot of their stablemates like Van Cleef & Arpels does. Instead, what we see from Cartier is a lot of architectural designs, a lot of geometric shapes. This watch is called the Captive, or if you want to sound like you're an associate at a Cartier boutique in Paris, you could say Captive, which is the more French pronunciation of the word, but it still means the same thing. When you look at the watch, the idea behind it is that you're sort of taking time captive. If you look back at the works of Faulkner in particular, you're going to see a great dialogue about the passage of time and taking time captive. And I think that this watch really grabs a hold of that idea. And if you look at the idea of the architecture of the watch, the geometric shapes of it, it's really nautical in its theme. What we see from this watch is a echoing of the visual language of the sea. Things like shackles and portholes and loops, the rigging on a sail. You could definitely see that someone at Cartier was spending time on their yacht in the Mediterranean and saw a piece of hardware and thought, I'm going to make that into a watch. It's really cool because there's no crown on the side. It's a very streamlined look. A lot of watches these days, when they're asymmetric, it's sort of off-putting, but with this one, it almost looks like the way the dial of the watch is towards the bottom of the overall shape of the case. It looks like time was sort of interrupted by the grabbing of it and this shackle here at the top. The geometric designs of it continue with the shape of the case. The case back is where the actual crown of the watch is. It's a little button, and it's interesting because they've built into it a very nice practical feature. With each press of the button, the time will advance 1 minute, but if you hold it down, it will advance an hour without messing up the minutes. So that way you can travel through different time zones, you can adjust the time zone very easily at this watch. Of course, it comes with the 18 karat gold Cartier deployant buckle. And the strap that's on this is the one that would have come from the factory. It is a fabric that's backed by leather. It doesn't look like it's ever been worn. Definitely a watch that when you look at this, you could see that the royalty of the watch world, the Taylors, Taylor Swift, Elizabeth Taylor, people like that would wear this watch. Definitely Princess Diana. This is a watch that would really define that ethos of luxury and style that you see from icons like that. This is a watch that is truly a piece of jewelry that happens to tell time. The diamonds on it are perfectly in keeping with Cartier's heritage of being a jeweler first and a watchmaker second. The diamonds are outstanding quality, better than what most people get in their engagement rings. If I had to guess, there's at least a couple of carats there. They're very large diamonds on a 35 millimeter case. I suppose this watch could be sort of unisex at 35 millimeter, but it just really reminds me of a watch that someone could wear who has a bold sense of style, a bold sense of the kind of jewelry that she likes to wear. And this watch would be a one-of-a-kind piece that really could become a defining piece for any jewelry collection. I think that in the future, this is going to be one of those designs that's really lauded and heralded as one of the top Cartier designs that they ever did. And so if you're looking for something really unique, you're looking for something that is a statement piece and something that could really sort of define your personal style, I think this is probably it. Give us a call at SwissWatchExpo.